Yes, good lady. Yeah. It's like I have 50,000.
Okay.
This is 100,000. 150. 200,000. This is 40,000. This is 6,000. This is 4,000. So a total 250.
Good evening. It looks like Christmas has come early to Scotland, as you can see with the smile on my face and the pile of money in front of me. I would like to thank Sir Wicknel for such a kind and extraordinary gesture and solidarity he's shown with Scotland. After winning this historic league, Sir Wicknel came through and he said, well, he would like to bless the entire club. So I would like to thank you, Sir Wicknel. I'm here with my entire executive saying thank you.